7 Traveling Tips for Disabled Person. Disabled tourism is an initiative to make travel and tourism convenient for people with disabilities and access needs, including older and less mobile people. The UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities dictates that governments, tourism boards, and all stakeholders take measures to make tourism easier for people with such needs. This includes making tourist sites access-friendly, having wheelchair-friendly ramps and toilets, buttons with braille, transport options, staff trained to help such tourists, and many more. Meanwhile, here are some tips which can be kept in mind to assure smooth travel if you have a disability or have a disabled family member traveling with you. 1. Describe your disability clearly. While booking tickets and accommodation, it is of paramount importance to describe your disability perfectly. This helps caregivers determine safety and clearance measures to ensure a comfortable journey. Ensure that your medical supplies are labeled clearly. Reach the airport ahead of time to prepare for additional security screenings in case your medication is flagged. 2. Ask your airline for assistance. Asking your airline for help at the time of booking by letting them know that you will require a wheelchair or any other assistance will save you time at the airport and also make your airport experience smoother. There will be a designated employee after you land who will help you with your check-in luggage and escort you out of the airport. 3. Avoid connecting flights. It is best to book flights that have the fewest connecting options, crossing immigration and customs between airports and transporting luggage between airlines can be a hassle while traveling abroad. This minimizes the time spent in uncomfortable airports and long layovers. 4. Transportation to and from the airport. Taxis are the most conventional way to reach and leave the airport, although they may take a toll on your wallet. Most international airports also have special local trains that are wheelchair and service animal friendly. These are much cheaper than taxis. Make sure to leave much ahead of time if planning to use public transport. Disabled travel buses and coaches are available at most airports, so make use of these facilities to move between terminals. If traveling with a lot of luggage, engage a porter to ease your worry. 5. Pick the right accommodation. You need to weigh in some factors before booking your hotel. The checklist should include whether the hotel will provide pick-up and drop facility with an accessibility vehicle. It will be helpful to get arrangements for the bathroom, door and space under the bed in case you are traveling with your own wheelchair. Most of the hotels will be happy to provide you with all this information. 6. Ask for the right guides. Guides who have prior experience with handling people with a disability are the ones you should book, so that they help you in the best possible way. The guides will have an idea about the places you might have difficulty going to and places where you can easily traverse in the city. You can book a guide through your travel agent, your hotel, or look for them online. 7. Buy medical insurance. Traveling with a good travel insurance plan is a must. You must make sure that the insurance also includes medical bills in case you require to see a doctor in another city of another country. Chances are you will be charged twice or thrice the usual price. To avoid this, your travel insurance should cover a certain amount of medical claims as well.